Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today we're going to be reviewing another wig, of course, and the wig that I have to show you guys today is from Outre. It's from their Perfect Hairline collection, and I have her in the style Julianne, and I got her in the color 2. Where's the color now? Right here. And I got her in the color 2. You guys, I made a mistake of ordering for the wrong color of this unit. I really wanted her in this cute color that the model has on. Can you guys see how stunning that color is? And I've also seen reviews from other people and they reviewed this particular color and it looked so good. I think it's called the 2/chocolate brown or something like that, and I made the mistake of ordering for color 2. Boy, I was so mad because I was so excited to see, you know, how the color was going to look and all. But anyways, we're still going to be reviewing this baby, even though I'm kind of salty that I got the wrong color. So yeah, without talking too much, let's just get right into it. So this is what the stock card looks like. This wig is supposed to be a 13x6 frontal wig, and it's supposed to have a HD transparent soft Swiss lace, no plucking required, baby hairs, adjustable wide elastic band, and it's supposed to be heat style friendly as well. This wig can be styled in multiple ways, as we can see from the stock card, and this unit comes in other colors as well. I'm going to have the direct link to the wig in the description box, and we also have our care guide and all of that good stuff at the back as well. So let's just get right into her and see what we have. She comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps, and then we have an extra elastic band just in case you don't want to have to glue her down. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and style this unit and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
To the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright guys, and this is what we have. How gorgeous is she? This unit right here has me shook. Can you guys see the curls? Can you guys see this volume? Can you guys see everything that is going on right here? What? Outre did their thing with this unit. I don't even know what to say. The volume's so beautiful, the texture is so beautiful. This right here is the kind of slay that you need, because what is this gorgeousness? What is this beauty? This laid down pretty nice as well. I probably could have gone without, you know, gluing it down, but I just wanted to glue it down because I was just in the mood today. And you guys, I'm so hyped about this one. And to tint my lace, I used the powder first and then I went over it with a foundation that is a shade or two darker than me. Also, the lace is very soft, so when you're styling you have to be careful with it so you don't rip the lace. You know what, let's try to style her into a right part, even though I'm obsessed with this middle part, but let's try to style her into a right part and see what we have.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
So this is her style to the right as well. You guys, if you're looking for a nice and affordable unit that you can wear this season, this unit right here, go get her. And at this point, at this moment, you already know where I'm going to, right? I know some of you are already saying it because you already know. Should we say it? Should we say it? It's the look, baby. You guys, this unit has me so hyped. This unit has me so pumped. Outre did their thing with this one. That's pretty much all I had to say about this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what team you're on. Are you team middle parts or are you team side parts? Let me know in the comment section. And if you've tried out this unit, let me know in the comment section as well. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Share with your family. And all of that good jazz. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.